गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स। और इन स्पीच में आपका स्वागत है। आज श्रुति सक्सेना 4 o'clock आपके सामने है और आई एम हियर। सो दिस इज़ Monday 4 o'clock in the evening, and my in speech topics today. Today's in speech topic is what kind of listener are you? The most of the successful people I have known are the one who do more listening than talking, by Bernard Baruch. So in this quote, now you can say that most of the successful people right now are those people who try to listen others, and they talk less and they listen more. I remembered when I was a child, at that time also, my parents and my teachers used to teach me, you have to listen first, then you have to react. And what we do, we talk more, we listen less. And that is why all confusion starts. And why it happens, it is just that we don't want to listen others, we just want to talk and talk. And the more we talk, definitely that is where the connection breaks. क्योंकि हर बार आप नहीं बोल सकते हो, और अगर आप सचमुच बोलना चाहते हो और अगर आप चाहते हो कि दूसरा भी आपको उतना ही सुने, आपको भी सुनना बहुत ज़रूरी है। बट हम बहुत बार कुछ इस तरह से बिहेव करते हैं कि अच्छा आर यू टॉकिंग, हाँ ठीक है, क्यों नहीं। एंड हम लोग ऐसे शो करेंगे जैसे कि हम लोग कितने इंटरेस्ट से उनको सुन रहे हैं, बट देन दिमाग में अंदर ही अंदर ये चल रहा होता है कि कब ये बंदा बंद होगा, क्यों ये बंदा बोलता चला जा रहा है, वाई इज़ नॉट टॉकिंग, वाई इज़ नॉट स्टॉपिंग हिमसेल्फ। और कभी लगता है कि चलो बस छोड़ के निकल जाओ, या कभी कभी ये लगता है कि ये बंदा हमेशा रोता ही रहता है, हमेशा इसके पास और भी काम ही नहीं है, कितना बोलता है। हम कभी उनके एक प्रॉपर लिसनर नहीं बन पाते हैं, बट वी एक्सपेक्ट द अदर पर्सन टू बी लिसनर्स। वाई? The reason is we always want to talk. We always want to talk about ourselves. We always want to talk about what we are thinking, what we are feeling, how best we are doing. We always want the appreciation from others. But then we don't want to give. We don't want to give any kind of appreciation. We don't want to be a good listener for others. And definitely, if you are not a good listener, you can't find a good listener for yourself also. The person must become a good listener for others. I really can say that in today's scenario, जो आज का पैंडमिक चल रहा है, people are so lonely. People actually finding, सिर्फ ये चाहते हैं कोई उनको सुन ले, बस कोई कुछ मेरी बात सुन ले, मैं जो कहना चाहता हूँ कोई सुन ले मुझे, मेरे अंदर क्या चल रहा है कोई सुन ले मुझे। If somebody is trying to talking to you, please understand that उसमें सचमुच आपको एक ऐसा फ्रेंड समझा है या एक ऐसा लिसनर समझा है who will understand him or who will understand his feelings, his desires, his talks, his emotions. But then for that also, if you can't give your ears, I mean, how are you going to find the ear for yourself? So be a good listener for others. And I tell you, I have seen 5 kind of listener in this world. The first listener is the ignorant one, the one who always want that कि जल्दी से ये बंदा मेरी अपनी बात बोलकर ख़त्म करे ताकि मैं कुछ बोल पाऊँ, क्योंकि एंड आपका हमेशा यही रिस्पॉन्स रहता है कि ओके हाँ ठीक है, हाँ अच्छा ऐसा भी कुछ हुआ। आई मीन यू आर नॉट दैट कॉन्स्टेंट लिसनर, you are not showing any kind of emotions, you are just for the sake of listening, you are listening, and definitely that person will not be comfortable with you next time and he will not share with you will lose a friend. The second type of person is pretending means आपको उसमें ये लगता है कि आप बस बैठे हुए हो और अगला बंदा बोल रहा है, आपका दिमाग इज लाइक यू कैन सी हियर एंड देयर एंड या हाँ हो रहा है, येस आई कैन सी दैट, अगेन यू आर लिसनिंग हियर एंड देयर, एंड इवन ऑन द फोन ऑल्सो यू पिक अप द फोन एंड यू आर सीइंग, एंड तू सुन रही है ना, इन बिटवीन दे से एंड यू सेज येस आई एम लिसनिंग यू, बट देन योर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इज ऑन द फोन. So you are pretending in front of the person that you are listening, but actually you are not listening. You are basically checking the phone. You are basically pretending. So that kind of listening definitely not going to work, because the other person will do the same with you, right? And the third type of listening is selective listening. Selective listening is where when other person is talking and you want to listen when that person is appreciating you, only that portion you will listen. When somebody talks about you, when somebody says that you are doing very good, you are the best friend of mine, and you have so much of good qualities, and you will listen yes, and you want that person to keep talking about me and keep talking about me, and you want to listen that because if the person is praising you. But if you want such kind of praisings, definitely you're expecting the same. You're expecting that if you are expecting that kind of praising, that other person is also expecting the same. He's also expecting or she's also expecting that you should also appreciate that person. You should also talk about that person. You should also listen that person, right? So that is kind of selective, and we all are, by the way, we all are selective listeners right now. We only listen what they say good about ourselves. We don't want to listen what they are not telling. Am I right? And the fourth kind of listening is attentive listener. By the way, attentive listeners right now in this world is only 10 to 15% people are there. And those 10 to 15 people are those people who are actually successful in this world. First, they have become like Elon Musk, people like Elon Musk, people like John X. Maxwell. These are the people who are like mentors. Why they are mentors? They are mentors because all these CEOs of the big companies are actually draining out their energies in front of their training, or they are talking out in front everything in front of them, and they patiently listening them, and they are sorting out their problem. This is how they are coming up their life. So those people, all that Elon Musk, who doesn't know Elon Musk, who doesn't know John X. Maxwell? He's the one who's the one. John C. Maxwell, he's the one who is like right now, he's mentoring so many CEOs of big companies right now. He's the most successful person I can see, and he's running, you can see the books around him, the way he talks about leadership, the way he talks about how we should bring up the listening capacity about ourselves, right? So those are the things. If you really, we are not the attentive listeners right now, we are just a selective listeners. So if you want to be a selective attentive listeners, last one, the most one is like empathetic listeners. Become empathetic listeners for others. The moment you become empathetic listeners for others, definitely people will give a heart about they give whatever heart they are having, they will give to you, because everybody wants empathy. Nobody wants a sympathy, by the way. They want empathy. Empathy is a very big word. It's all about the emotion, the presence of the person, the eye-to-eye contact of the person, the way you are seeing in the eyes of the person, the way you are listening to the person, the way you are, the person is pouring out in front of you. He's sharing everything in front of you, and when you are accepting, when you are receiving, when you are understanding, and it is only possible when you realize, when you think that you are actually in their shoes and you're feeling, you're understanding each and every word what they are telling. That is called empathetic listening. And right now, empathetic listeners are no one. Only the mentors are the empathetic listeners, because the one, when you're talking to your mentor, he's the one who actually listening to you. He never speak, he never gives, he is not there to give you a gun, he's only there to listen to you. Because whatever sort of solutions, it's only we are having. If you go to counselor, he also does the same. The counselor only hears you, and he asks you what kind of solutions and what is come to your mind. If you think it's right, go for it. Mentor does the same. So find an empathetic listener for yourself. Become an empathetic listener for others. If you can't, please don't pretend others. Don't waste time of others. Don't tell them that I am there for you. And yes, by the way, why we don't become the empathetic listeners, the only thing is like we have so much of noises inside. You know why we can't become an empathetic listener? You know why we can't become a very attentive listener? It is just that our mind is so cluttered, our heart is so cluttered, we have so much of inner noise that we just want to react, we just want to talk out, we just always want that somebody should listen to us. Definitely, people will listen to you. First, you listen them. So, when the God have given 2 ears, use them. That is why God have given 2 ears to us and 1 mouth to us. So, use your mouth less and use your ears more. Because जितना आप सुनेंगे, तभी आप दूसरे को अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स दे पाएंगे. अगर आप सुनेंगे ही नहीं, तो आप कुछ भी नहीं कर पाएंगे. और हर चीज़ आप हमेशा अच्छे नहीं हो सकते. ठीक है, अच्छा होने के लिए भी सुनना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Whether it's from your teachers, from your parents, or whoever is mentoring you, listen them. Be a good listener, be an attentive listener, be an empathetic listener. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching me. In Speech is over today. but this will continue on next Monday at 4 o'clock. So bye bye.